Hey guys, I'm sorry it's been a while. My whole family's been sick and just wasn't a good past few weeks. But today I'm here with my Aunt Claire.
Hi.
For those who are new, the purpose of my channel is for me to have better skills in culinary arts, and yeah, for me to learn how to make new things and to have better knife skills, or to maybe cook something a bit better. Yeah, that makes sense. Just gonna grab this now. So we have eggs, onions, ground beef, flour, breadcrumbs, and Velveeta cheese. What do you think it is?
Oh my gosh. I was thinking it was meatloaf, but then this factor came in and I'm like, what? Or meatballs, but
I mean, it could still be meatloaf.
yeah. Or like,
I don't know.
oh, it's
Cheeseburger, onion rings.
Cheeseburger, onion rings. All right.
Okay. I don't like cheese.
That's the level we're gonna be on. Where do you keep all your seasonings?
They're all back here.
Okay.
So we have salt.
Oops. Nope.
I don't have pepper. Oh, and here's a trash can for you.
Oh.
Put on this side.
Okay. Thank you. I was just putting it back in the bag. These are fresh onions.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm not gonna cry.
I mean, is there any good way to not cry?
From what I've told, if you leave your onions in the fridge and they're cold, you will not tear up. But I guess I've never tested that theory.
Because when I made my first episode, I had to cut onions, and it was intense. Cause
yeah, I mean, I guess now that I think about it, I keep my onions in the fridge, so I don't usually tear up unless we make it right from the store. So I'm assuming that if you leave your onions in the fridge and they're chilled, you shouldn't cry, from what I've told.
There's some people that say tea bags.
Tea bags?
Yeah, like you have a tea bag right here, so then it doesn't.
Oh, what? And then you want to keep one hand dry and one hand wet.
Okay. So kind of like it?
So we're going to put that in the wet with your dry, and then you're going to pick this up with your wet hand.
Okay.
And then your wet's going to put it in your dry.
Okay.
Yep.
I realized that.
I realized I didn't have gloves.
What do you need a glove for?
I'm getting better at my mistake.
They look a lot better. You see the difference from the first ones that you did to the second ones?
Yeah.
Or the ones now? They look way better.
I'll make sure I cover everything.
I'm doing the same thing.
Trick is to touch it as
dry hand.
the least as possible. Touch it. Don't touch it.
My hand to dry hand.
You should have put your glove on this hand because it's closer to me.
Switch hands.
got the coating on the hamburger part. I don't know, for some reason it's not sticking to the
Breadcrumbs?
onion part of it.
Oh.
Almost got it.
Perfect. Thank you.
Ah.
Okay, go for it.
Okay. I'll grab this one.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Go for it.
Sorry. It's actually better than I thought it would be.
You didn't. Wow.
Mm.
It is pretty good. Cheesy hamburger wrapped in an onion ring.
Yeah.
No pepper.
With. It's alright.
No pepper.
I like pepper anyway. Alright. Oh yeah, those are pretty good.
Yeah.
They'll be
So
better
I
than
should
next time
get
we make
these
them.
3 to test.
What?
I should get these 3.
Yeah, but we have to make more for everybody to taste
Yeah.
test.
I want to say thank you to my auntie. I loved having you on my show. Also, if you guys want to check out the original video, go watch It's So Good. And like, subscribe, and tell other people. And make sure you hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting me. It means a lot.